Hello guys and welcome to another profile tree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at 10 web AI. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So just before we get started, what exactly is the 10 web? So 10 web is a platform offering various web hosting and website building services. With a specific focus on WordPress websites, this is one of the standout features for 10 web. Its other standout feature is AI website builder, and it leverages artificial intelligence to streamline and simplify the website creation process. So particularly for WordPress users as well, they also have access to AI for 10 web. So here's a more detailed look at 10 web and its AI builder. So just want to list out a few points on the 10 web platform itself. So number one, it is a managed WordPress hosting. So you have the automated technical management. 10 web handles the technical aspects of running a WordPress site. That includes speed optimization, automated updates, as well as security. You do also get the performance optimization. So it focuses on delivering high-speed performance, crucial for user experience and SEO. And with that, you've got scalability. So the hosting is designed to accommodate varying levels of traffic, making it suitable for websites that experience fluctuations in visitor numbers. There's also website management tools. So with the 10 web platform, you have more of a centralized dashboard. So users can manage multiple WordPress websites from a single interface. And that simplifies tasks like updates, plugin management, and analytics. Another good thing with this is the backup and recovery. So automated backup solutions ensure data safety with easy options for restoring previous versions of a site if needed. Next is the plugin and theme compatibility. So you've got the extensive support. 10 web is compatible with a wide range of WordPress themes and plugins, and that allows users to extensively customize the functionality and design of their sites. Now, if you did want to go for like third-party themes, can still work. You do also have access to the default themes that WordPress provides. Everything is pretty much just WordPress based. It's only 10 web that's using it as a hosting platform. So overall, it is a great platform, especially if you're not using AI anyway. You just want to use a normal 10 web platform, then you can do so with WordPress. What we're here for really is the 10 web AI website builder. So just a few points on it. Number one, it does have that AI driven design process, and we'll showcase that later on in the video. But it does have that automated site creation. So the AI builder can quickly generate a functional WordPress website based on user input or by replicating the design of an existing website. You've also got design replication, so unique in its ability to clone the design of any website, and it allows users to input a URL and receive a WordPress version of that site. What I like about it as well is the customization and its flexibility. For the ease of use, especially for beginners, it does have that drag and drop editing. So after that initial AI setup, users can customize their site using an intuitive drag and drop interface. You could tweak layouts, you could tweak styles and content as needed. It is also tailored to users' needs. The AI builder provides a starting point that users can modify to fit their specific requirements and branding. And with WordPress, as mentioned, you do have the integration with WordPress. So you almost get that ecosystem. So there is plugin integration. It does seamlessly integrate with the WordPress environment, and that allows users to enhance their sites with a variety of WordPress plugins. What's great as well is there's still theme compatibility, so it's compatible with WordPress themes, and that ensures that users have a wide range of options. You also have efficiency and accessibility. It is very time saving, so it's ideal for users who need to quickly deploy a website without getting involved in the complexities of web design. What I like is its cost effectiveness, so it does reduce the need for hiring professional web designers, particularly beneficial for small business and startups. Now, you may be wondering what is the ideal use cases for 10Web. I would say it's great for business owners and entrepreneurs, so whoever needs a professional online presence but lack the time or resources for traditional web design, then this would be the platform for you. Also say that it's great for web design agencies. So anyone that handles multiple client websites can benefit from the efficiency and scalability offered by 10Web. More for the fact that you could see all the WordPress websites and you could do any updates that you need as well. And it is also good for the individuals with a limited technical expertise or the beginners. So anyone looking for an easy and quick way to create and manage a WordPress website. And of course, you can also use the AI website builder to make things even simpler. So all in all, I would say 10Web's AI website builder is a groundbreaking tool for the platform itself, as well as using it in a WordPress space. And I would say it's particularly appealing for those who seek balance between rapid web development and the ability to customize and scale their web presence. Now, this combination of ease of use, efficiency, and integration within the WordPress ecosystem makes 10Web a compelling choice for a diverse range of web creators, from novices to experienced professionals. So now that we've got more of an insight on what 10Web AI and what 10Web is all about, we're going to go ahead and jump into the platform itself and showcase the AI website builder. So this is the 10Web platform itself. Just before we generate a website, let's take a look at the actual pricing. So for the platform itself, there are a few options. So for business, you get the AI starter, so that's for simple websites. So you could either get started for free or pay the $10 per month. So you do get the trial that you need just in order to see whether you like this platform to build your website on, or if you want to pass on it. But I would say it is a fairly good platform to use. Now with this, for the AI starter, you do get that drag and drop editor based on Elementor. You got the Elementor AI assistant. You can connect a custom domain as well. And you do have all the tools that you would need, like high performance hosting by Google Cloud, so 99.9% uptime guarantee. You got SSD storage, monthly visitors, SSL certificate, automated one-click migration, and the website speed optimization is fairly good as well. And again, several other options to view some features like 24/7 customer support. You've got collaboration, you've got enterprise features as well. Next to that, you do have AI Premium. More or less the same, however, you are getting a bit more features than the AI starter. Now that's good for professional websites, as you can see. Now with this, the only thing that you're really missing, so there is more of an upgrade. So SSD storage is 15 gig, monthly visitors is 50,000. Then Elementor AI Assistant can do 50,000 words, so that's good for content creation as well. And then if we take a look at the rest of the features, like the website speed optimization, let's see, customer support. Customer support is more or less the same. You can see that they're both ticked for email assistance and real-time chat box assistance. Collaborative work is all clear, so user and team management, staging area, and WordPress and plugin updates. But you can see for the enterprise features, it doesn't have any, it's all X pretty much. So that's the SOC 2 types security. But you only really need that, of course, if you are at enterprise level. So AI Ultimate, that's coming at $23 per month. So just a bit of a step up from the two. But with this, you're getting 200k monthly visitors, unlimited AI assistant. So especially if you do struggle with having that content, then the AI assistant is there to assist. You've got 20 gig of SSD storage, so that's a big up from 10 gig and 15 gig. And you also have multi-site support, so that could come in very, very handy. So you could see install WordPress multi-site and manage all aspects of your WordPress multi-site from a 10 web dashboard. So that's where you could view all your WordPress websites. So with that being said, you're still getting that 24/7 customer support. However, it is VIP, and everything is more or less the same for collaborative work and enterprise features. Now, other ones that they have is e-commerce based as well, so AI e-commerce starter. So you can clearly see straight away that AI does play a big part to 10web itself. Now, again, drag and drop editor based on Elementor. I think most of these will have the same sort of style, more for the fact that if you want that ease of use, then a drag and drop editor will be a lot better, especially if it's Elementor or an Elementor plugin on a WordPress website. Now, since it's e-commerce, it'll have WooCommerce as well, so that's the sort of plugin that'll be available to be used. Now, just scrolling through this, it is more or less the same as the business side of things. So everything is more or less the same in terms of the features. Now, there is a bit of a jump for the AI e-commerce premium as well. So again, drag and drop based, and you do have full page caching for e-commerce websites. Now, this one has 210,000 monthly visitors. You can see that the SSD storage has kicked up a notch for 25 gig. And with all the features, let's just have a look. So I would assume that, yes, 24/7 customer support, collaborative work as well, and the enterprise features will not be ticked on this one. Now, you've sort of seen it there for the dedicated hosting. Now, this is at $175 per month. This is really when you are at that enterprise level. So again, drag and drop editor based. You have all the needs for AI e-commerce features, so premium templates, product page customization, product description generation with AI, SSD storage. You can see it's 100 gigabyte plus, so that is quite a bit. You're also getting 400k plus monthly visitors, and then you can see that you have Cloudflare Enterprise as well, and that's just ticked, so you don't have to pay for that. You can see that that is an additional $4 per month if you are to do that, so it'll be $19. Now, you've sort of seen it earlier on, but yes, you have all the 24/7 customer support, and that's all the support that you will require. VIP priority support, dedicated account manager, collaboration is there, so collaborative work, it's all ticked. And the good thing with this one is all the enterprise features. So you do have that enterprise level security, you've got the dedicated instance, vertical scaling, and free manual migration, additional PHP workers, and RAM. So all ticked for the dedicated hosting. Now, for the agency starter, this is really if you are just a digital agency or just a web design agency. So $24 per month. You have websites with premium features, and that's three websites. Uptime guarantee as well. SSD storage as usual, 15 gig, 50k monthly visitors, and a free SSL certificate. So again, you do get the works, like the 10web AI builder, drag and drop editor based on Elementor, e-commerce functionality, Elementor AI assistant, so that's 50,000 words. You can convert to a website for WordPress, and you can also manage all your clients' websites in the same interface. So you do have pretty much everything that you need. You got VIP priority support, as you can see. Now, if you do want additionals, it is $4 per month for a CDN, and to buy additional websites. So that is fairly good. $7 for an additional website. It's not too bad. And again, free SSL certificate, automated one-click migration, malware removal, SSH access, and up-to-date PHP and MySQL. So you can see there as well with the agency premium, more or less the same. However, your monthly visitors SSD storage, you can see how it's up by 100k, 50 gig, and 10 premium features for the websites. There's Agency Ultimate, which you will need to talk to a specialist, and that will cost you maybe like a good amount of money, I would say. So 20 plus websites with premium features, 300k, 100 gig, and so on. So feel free to just take a look at the pricing plan for the different platforms that you may use. So now that we've covered the AI or the pricing plans, we'll now cover the actual AI website builder. And you can see as well that you do have the option for an AI website builder, AI e-commerce. You can get more an insight on the AI assistant as well as the AI business name generator. So if you are unsure, you don't really have a business name yet, this is a great little tool to use. So if you could describe your business in a couple of words, we'll just say digital marketing agency, C, web development, video production. So something like that. Length, short. Style, we could do something like catchy and then generate. So it even just shows you how the 10web AI business name generator works. And as you can see, it gives you a few results. So BuzzBoost, Pixel Pulse, Web Wizards, Video Vortex, Digimark. So that is pretty cool. Digimark, I would be on that one as well. Based in Northern. See, if I say based in Northern Ireland, like so, and then I'm going to go ahead and generate that one. We'll see what we can come up with. Okay, so same thing. Media Monster, Market Magic, Lead Lift, Trend Tribe, Buzzbolt. It even gives you a note as well. Make sure you check copyright databases in your area or country to confirm if using a name would violate another company's trademark or copyright. So that is just a disclaimer that they have. But what I would recommend as well, if you do find a really nice business name here, I would just double check that. Just put it in Google or put it on a search engine. Double check to see if it is a name that has been used. It shouldn't, but just double check anyway. It's always best to do so, and then that's when you could use the name. So that's my recommendation. But it is good the fact that 10web has that AI business name generator. Now you do have an AI writing assistant as well. So gives you more of an insight that you could use it for blog posts, you could use it for creating content on the actual website today, or the actual website itself, sorry. So you can see that you could generate SEO optimized content with AI, you could fix SEO and readability errors in Yoast SEO, rank higher with SEO optimized content. So it is very good, especially if you want to generate some content straight away on a blog post. You can see that there's a little bit of an example here. Like so. Shows that with the AI writing assistant, it uses AI to write SEO optimized content in Gutenberg and Classic Editor. And again, a bit more of an insight to AI writing itself, and that is pretty much it. So that is the AI writing assistant. Now, if you want to get more in depth with it, you do have the AI marketing strategy generator as well. So if you want to describe your business, we are a digital marketing agency. Now, growth channel, we'll just say that we are social media. we're SEO, we're advertising, email marketing, and I could say influencer marketing, and in general. Business type, digital agency, generate the strategy. So you can fill out the customer account if you need to. So just say that if okay. Then we'll just say that. And then we'll just say that. Okay. So I'm just filling that out just to see. Okay, so it has pulled out some strategy. So this is our marketing strategy for our digital marketing agency. So, introduction. This is the table of contents. Purpose of marketing strategy, target audience and market segmentation, ambassador program, your objectives and goals, selection criteria for partner attorneys. So it does go through the different steps to actually help with your strategy. And this is pretty good for, of course, boosting and increasing your revenue. So you can find this a helpful tool as well. So I would just look into this a little bit more. You see there's a bit more information. So efficiency, consistency, personalization, and so on. So it is just worth a check. Then you also have the AI SEO tool. Now you can see that with this, you can automatically generate the best keywords for your business and accelerate your ranking growth. So let's just say best keyword. Let's see if I could come up with the actual business name. Just say profile tree. I'd like to just see what it'll pull out when I just type in profile tree. So what it's listed is SEO keywords, digital marketing agency, online advertising, SEO, social media marketing, content creation. So it's actually probably pulled that out from what it knows about profile tree, and this is the list of generated keywords. Now, you could use this as well for content if you need to as well. So overall, it is pretty good. And if I said amazing cars and drives, and then generate keywords for this, just to have a look and see what it'll come up with. So car dealership, luxury vehicles, used cars, car financing, auto sales. So it literally pulls out words like cars, drives, amazing, and then it'll list you a bunch of generated keywords that you could use. So again, nice little tool to have on the 10 web. Now that we've seen pretty much all the different AI types that they have on 10 web, we'll now check out the AI website builder. So you could either log in or just generate your website through here. So just go ahead and generate your website. And then from here, it'll say, what do you want to do? So create a new website with AI or convert a website to WordPress with AI. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a new website with AI. It'll then say whether you want to create an informational website or I want to create one within an online store. So I'll just say an informational website. Informational could be your portfolio. It could be a portfolio blog and something that's nothing to do with e-commerce. Click next. And then you can see that search for the business type. We'll just say photography. So photography. And select next. And this will just generate it for us now. Okay. So I've just skipped ahead there and went into the actual site itself. Now do note, before you can use 10web, you really do need to have a pricing plan set in place before you can use it. So I know it does state it's free, but it does require a credit card or some form of payment like PayPal or anything just to activate it. So again, that's something to note. So very easy and simple to do. You can see that we did select the AI website builder there, but then it's brought us to here. So I'm going to go ahead and select create a website again. And this is where I can create a single WordPress website, I can create a multi-site, or I can create a clone. So a couple of options there, as you can see. So multi-site, a clone, so that can be a clone of Extra Space NI or Grainiacs, you can see there, and it is very simple to do. So what we can do here is we can just go ahead and select test, location. So looks like it'll be just the USA, we'll just leave it there, that's fine. Subdomain, that's fine. So you can actually put your domain name here if you need to. And then I'm gonna go ahead and create. So setting up the hosting, then that'll install WordPress, and then that'll finalize. So we'll just see how this now goes. So I'll just wait for this to fully load. So you can see that's all set up, and then you can go ahead and say, let's start. So here we have the AI builder. We'll just wait for this to load up. So you can see that's now fully loaded for us, and this is where we can go ahead and edit the website. So select edit website, this will bring you up a new tab. Again, it will just take a little minute, just depending on the speed. But while we wait for that to wait, you can see that this is where you can add some new pages. And you've got your website booster, hosting services, e-commerce, your navigation as well. So it's pretty much all here, everything that you would need to know. That is why the actual site itself is very good. Okay, we'll just try again. Let's try to reload this, and I'll skip ahead once it's now loaded. Okay, so it's now fully loaded the WordPress dashboard. So just like so, we have our AI assistant and we have the 10 web booster. On top of that, we do have Elementor as well. Now, if you want to, go ahead and select a new landing page. This is where we can create the website. So we'll just open up Elementor here. And you can see that you can add some landing pages or some of the templates. So if we don't have any templates, you can search for some. So here are a couple of blocks that we can use for the meantime. So let's see here. Do category, we do a hero section. So we'll just insert that, started. And just like so, we have the header. Now on top of this, you could just add widgets or sections if need be. So let's just see here, elements. Then you can see that there's a couple of containers and some of the premium widgets that we have access to as well. So slides, image spread. We've got the table of contents. We've got templates, price list, and so on. So it is a nice feature to have. And then you even see some of the WordPress stuff that they offer as well. So pages, calendar, archives, audio, and so on. And that's to create a nice looking website. So let's just take a look at the structure. Technically, we only have a hero section with the following. And what we can do is we can actually add a structure here. And within here, see, just add an image carousel. See, it's very, very simple. It is just a drag and drop styled editor. Then on this one, we can add a template. Let's just say that I want to do an about us. Or we can actually just search about, insert. Now, this is up to yourselves on how you want to modify and change the website. So you can see here, okay, we have this section. Now to change the style, you've got your different colors. Bring it up to white. Okay, and style for this one, we can go for a green. Just like so. And then on top of this, we can write with AI. So we'll just exit off the structure. So what I could do is simplify the language, new prompt. So we'll just say, can you talk about web development? Generate that text. And that'll simply now talk about web development. So it is really, really good for what it is. You might not be able to see it more for the fact that it is color white. Make sure that you change the tag. It has to be small. And it can't be HTML, it has to be a div. Let's just see here. Style, text color is not black. Okay, let's have a look here. Okay, I didn't change it to red, I did change it to black, don't know why it's done that. Okay, that's the typography. Got content. Okay, advanced. Okay. Okay, so just a bit of change there. Of course, we can modify this and make it nice or a lot better. We can move that to the left. Again, we can move this to the left. Then with the style, go for that. So AI is basically here to help us with any changes that we need. So content wise, we don't need to think about it, more for the fact that we could just use AI to create it for us. So if we needed a description, and then I'll just remove this, new prompt, talk about video production, generate that text. That'll now talk about video production. See if it's too long, then I can make it shorter if I need to. And then look, it's too long again, make it shorter. And then use that text. And then now with the image, see, we can go ahead and choose some images. It's currently what we have. And of course you can upload more images. I would recommend to upload your own images, and just like it would, make sure you alt text it and then change the title as well. So that is pretty much all you would need to know really with the 10 Web AI. You do have AI integration, which is great. It's just there to really help you out with the website development. You can see that, if I invest more time into this, I could create a nice fully built website by using AI. But guys, that pretty much reaches the end of the video. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you did, let us know in the comment section below. We'd like to know what you think. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.